Hi, it's Dr. Donor at the New York Skin and Vein Center. And one of the biggest questions we get is, what kind of skincare should we be using? And so we only promote Dr. Obagi Zeo Skin Health skincare system. It's the #1 luxury brand in the world, and it's the #2 in the United States. It's fabulous. Everybody who uses it loves it. So we just received a bunch of Get Skin Ready kits. So this is a great place to start. And in this little kit, we'll give you half of all you need for skincare. All right. So this is just a brochure from Dr. Obagi. It's clinically proven 31% reduction in your pore size, 46% improvement in your skin texture. I'm going to tell you, in 2 weeks after starting this, you're going to love the way your skin feels. So what's in it? Let me show you. So first off is your cleanser. You use this twice a day. This is the gentle cleanser. This will work for all different types of skin. If you have rosacea, acne, etc. If you have very oily skin, we can do an upgrade to a acne-prone skin cleanser. And then this is the polish or exfoliant. This stuff feels amazing. You use this once a day in the shower just to exfoliate. And then there are these toning pads that just restore the pH balance in your skin. I like to use these at the end of the day. You know, you're hot, you're sweaty, you've been in the office, just a quick swipe. It's just amazing. So these kits normally go for $77 for the whole month of April starting today. They're $49.95. They're available in every single office that we have at New York Skin and Vein Center. So this is Dr. Eric Donor at the New York Skin and Vein Center. Hope to see you soon.